Hi friends! Help me do this train puzzle. Help me find the face of the steam train with the eyes. Friends, help me find googly eyes. I found it! Yay, let's put it here. Help me find the chimney. This is the chimney. Can you help me? Can you help me find the chimney? There it is. Yay! Next, help me find the cart. Let's find this cart. I found it! Let's put it. Help me find this cart. I found it! Yay! Let's put it. Help me find this last cart. I found it! Yay! Help me find this tree. I found it! Yay! We're almost done. Can you see it? Let's the wheels. I found it. Let's put it there. Now there's one last piece. So put there. Yay! We finished the puzzle. See how cute the train is? We'll do more puzzles later.